According to the price, I think Turkey is one of the best place case of what you get for your money. Like it has a very good reputation in the world. I checked the prices in other countries and they are like much higher than here, and even in case of the quality and what you get for the price was, for me, it was the best decision and worth it. Hi, my name is Oliver. I'm 31 years old. I'm from Germany and I work in a sales department here. I found this clinic, if I'm honest, like I asked ChatGPT, and this was highest rated clinic here in Turkey. I decided to come to the Vera Clinic. Yeah, so the first impression when I came here, the clinic itself, it was like really professional, clean. My consultation was also very professional. I felt like really welcome here. So I would recommend the clinic to everyone who wants to do hair transplant, because for me, I got the best treatment from the beginning, from like the consultation till the time after the operation. Thank you very much for everything that I got here, and I'm really excited about the next upcoming month, and I want to see the result.